Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo don lift ban wey dem put on the activities of the National Union of Road Transport Workers (NURTW) for the state, as he urged the new executive members sworn in to work with the government to bring peace, progress, order and protect the rights of the common man and make Edo State a state where no man is oppressed. Dem swear in the new executives wey dey led by Comrade Oamen for Festival Hall, Government House, Benin City. The swearing-in wey Comrade Oamen and National Secretary of the Union do on behalf of the national headquarters administered the oath of office to the newly elected State Council officials for a 4-year tenure.
Mention your name, please. I do solemnly swear and affirm that I shall uphold, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Union at all times. Render honest, impartial, and efficient services to the Union. Serve as an effective link between the Union and its members. Obey all lawful instructions in the discharge of the Union function. Put the interest of the Union and its members above personal interest in the conduct of the Union affairs. Render a true account of my stewardship to the members of the Union, and when the occasion arises, abide by majority decision and respect the rights of minority. Work for the growth of the Union in strength and freedom. And further swear and affirm that I shall faithfully discharge my duties as Chairman to the best of my ability. So help me God.
Governor Okpebholo, wey Barrister Umar Musa Ihilo, the Secretary to the State Government, represent, come expressing gratitude to the Union members for the support wey dem give am during the September 21st gubernatorial election, and come yarn dem say na sake of the support the ban don lift, make the Union fit help develop the state. E con still tok say NURTW, wey dey part of the Nigerian Labour Congress (NLC), dey represent the interest of Edo people, and the administration go bring peace, progress and order to the Union.
Up national progress, Aluta, you do for me. Thank you very much. Thank you. The Chief of Staff and other staff of government here present, the President, National Union of Road Transport Workers, and other members of the Union and officials of the leadership present. I want to bring the warm felicitations of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, distinguished Senator Comrade Oamen, to the Union. This is the second event we are having of unions in this festival hall. A day or two ago, we hosted a Market Women Association union here that was very colorful, very vibrant, very vivacious, and very ecstatic. Today, I am even seeing a more colorful one. Thank
instruction of His Excellency, the Executive Governor, to express his profound appreciation for this union, for the support that was given to him during his campaign for the governorship. He acknowledges that support, and that is why, in the spirit of I do for you, you do for me, he decided to lift the ban, open his door to welcome we, as a government, this is a government for the people, and we recognize that the National Union of Road Transport Workers, as an arm of the Nigerian Labour Congress, is a very vital organ representing the people, the ordinary people, the workers. And the governor is a man of the people, a man of the ordinary people. So it is in that light that he wants to support, work closely together to bring peace, to bring orderliness, and to bring progress to the good people of Edo State. The National Union of Road Transport Workers is an old union. It didn't start today. I'm aware that this union was established sometime in 1978. After so many other unions were collapsed into it as a national union. And since then, it has continued to thrive and expand in its membership. I'm aware that a few years ago, the union was counting its membership into 100 and something thousand all over the country. That's a great number for every. And so, it's a union we have to take seriously because it caters to the very common man who are the real persons that we represent as a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. We want to emphasize that we are very happy and comfortable with the leadership of this very union, under the leadership of Alhaji Musliu Akinsanya. And we know and we are confident that he is a man who will bring strong leadership, orderliness, and peace to the union in Edo State, or the branch of the union. We have seen the support that we have gotten at the national level from our father and our president, the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, of the Renewed Hope agenda, and the support that Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic, has also given to Edo State. A few days ago, she empowered the elderly in this state with a whopping sum of 200,000 per person for over 500. Now, this was not possible for many years in this state. Now, for the first time under the leadership of the Executive Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, he has opened the doors and the windows of Edo State to the blessings of the Renewed Hope agenda of Mr. President. And Edo State will witness a lot of development, a lot of progress, a lot of revival that will come from the federal level that was never possible a few years ago. And we are hoping that Just the way the market union was also a new chapter. To open a new chapter in the way things are done, restore orderliness in our markets, remove oppression, remove arbitrary increase of price, high cost of food. We are hoping that this union will also bring the desired change in the road transport sector in Edo State. We are going to see a new leaf of how things are done. All the negative things people used to perpetrate in the name of union, we believe will be a thing of the past. We believe there will be peace. We believe there will be unity. We believe there will be prosperity. And we believe that there will be the protection of the rights of the common man. This is what we want to charge the leadership of this union. Let there be peace. Let there be prosperity. And most of all, just the way we sang during the national anthem, God help us to build a nation where no man is oppressed. Let no man be oppressed under the leadership of this union by the special grace of God. Up national, God bless you. I wish you successful inauguration.
The National General Secretary, Comrade Oamen, for in part, talk say even though the union be get wahala before, the governor lift the ban to make the new leaders fit bring peace and progress to Edo transport sector. While the acting chairmo of NLC for Edo State, Comrade Bernard Joma, talk say the swearing-in shows say NURTW don't recover after more than 20 years where the union leadership be dey under bad control. He also thank the governor on behalf of NLC for the work we do to bring the union back to a former glory and make sure say the right steps they taken.
The governor and the people of Edo State, fraternal greetings from the leadership of the union, as represented here, fully represented here by the president of the union, the general secretary, and the national treasurer. Here to witness the swearing-in ceremony of newly elected State Administrative Council of Edo State. At the same time, I will be welcoming into our midst to the State Chairman of the Nigeria Labour Congress, Edo State Council. Without wasting much of our time, my president and his entourage have been in Edo for some days now. A lot has been done. We have interfaced with our members. Because it's on record that the event of today, sir, Your Excellency, the SSG and the Chief of Staff, you know the union has been disarray in Edo State for the past few years. And we want to thank our amiable governor, His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, for graciously lifting the ban on the activities of the union and allowing the and we want you to extend our greetings, our warm greetings from all the union members across the nation of Nigeria that we really appreciate our excellency. Those ones who might have been willing that after much persuasion pleaded that the union should just at least start from somewhere again in Edo State. I want to, and that is why my president was telling the incoming chairman that the SSG have said it. Let no one be oppressed. Let no one be oppressed. All national progress. You know that one is a very key word and is very strong. And that is why my president, too, while he wants to deliver his speech, that is what he has pleaded on the chairman to do. And that is the voice of the governor. Operational progress. Progress.
We are here this evening again to see another one from our performing governor, Okpebholo Rescue. Wonderful. For him to rescue National Union of Road Transport Workers for over 23 years. One person has been the chairman of this union. That today, Okpebholo Rescue decided to say, this is the end. Let's give 3 closer to our able governor.
We want to thank everybody here. We want to thank Governor Edo, 100%, 100 support. We are praying for him, God bless him, God give him opportunity to hand Edo up.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.